Hello from the National Football Museum and welcome to our second online Drawing Drills workshop. In these workshops we'll be helping you to bring a little football flair to your illustrations. My name is Millie and I'm an artist from Cheshire. I love football and my favourite team is Manchester United. The most fun part of my job as an artist is that I get to draw footballers in action. For example, here are some of my drawings in football paper, the grassroots post. And today I'll be showing you how to draw your own. Make sure you have some paper and some drawing tools. You can use whatever stationery you'd like. Football is all about movement. When I draw footballers, it's important to make my drawings expressive and full of motion. Today I'll show you how to draw players running, jumping, kicking a ball. Some of the things you might see in a football match. To start off this workshop, get some paper and drawing tools and begin to draw. As you can see here, I'm just making some marks with the pen to get a feel of the different shapes and lines I can make with it. My top tip would be to draw quick lines. I'm not neat with my lines and it makes my drawings have a lot of movement. First off, I'll show you how I draw a standing footballer. I start off with the head, add a neck, and then I begin the rest. A footballer is made of quite simple shapes when you think about it. The football kit is made of blocks. You have the sleeves, then the front of the shirt, then the shorts, then the socks and the boots. So now I'm going to draw a bit more movement, starting with a running footballer. If you imagine someone running, their legs are in opposite directions. So here I've got one leg forward and one leg back. I'm making sure to use really quick lines with my pen to give the drawing momentum. If you look behind the player, I've drawn 4 little lines. These are called motion lines, and it shows that the player is running at great speed. Now for our jumping player, I've imagined what a person looks like when they're in the air. They are mid-jump, they're about to head the ball and land back on the ground. The legs are getting ready to land and there's motion lines below their feet to show how high they've jumped. Here is a player kicking the ball. It looks like they're booting it across a field, so their leg is stretched really far out and their other leg is firmly on the floor. The lines are really bold to show that the ball is moving fast, and I wrote, boom, the sound of kicking the ball. Sometimes I like to add words to my drawing just to add a bit more to the scene. Finally, I'm going to draw one of my favourite things to draw, a goalkeeper. Starting off with a simple circle for the head, and then I add the arms. They are stretched out trying to save the ball. Goalkeepers also use their legs to jump and dive to the side, and also to save the ball, so the rest of this goalkeeper's body is very stretched out. I drew a circle for the ball and lines behind it to show that the ball is headed towards the goal. I went over this with a bolder pen and added more depth to the drawing. I also added a hint of the goal in the background. Thank you so much for joining us today for Drawing Drills. I hope you had fun. Keep practicing with your footballers and make sure you share your illustrations with us on social media. We are at Football Museum on Twitter. You can find more homecraft activities at nationalfootballmuseum.com or on our YouTube channel. We hope to welcome you to the National Football Museum soon. Bye for now.